Today, what we're doing is we're replacing the blower fan on our 2005 Subaru Outback. The bearings have gone on it, so yeah, that's what we're doing. So what you need an 8mm, a small extension. You really don't need this guy, but it could be handy. Depends on how you want to do it. Small extension's fine. You need a ratcheting wrench for your stuff, and you need a screwdriver. You could actually do it all with one single screwdriver, but I think it's going to be more of a pain in the butt. Ratcheting wrench is helpful. All the screws, when we do it, have an actual cutout for a flathead, so that's that. So we're going to go start right now. There's a lot of gross stuff. I feel like a nut or something. There should be 3 bolts. That should be the wire. Let's make sure the new one fits. Okay. Yeah. It's a tight fit, but it does fit. So let's get these out. 8mm is what they are. so it's working okay. Alright, now we gotta put the cover back on. That it's in. Ignore my wire, that's my camera. So it's in and it works. Okay, so my experience, this is after the fact, with this is the new one that I got was not exactly correct, and I don't know if it was, I saw that these things work on the RAV4 too. Maybe it fits the RAV4, but it doesn't fit the 2005 Outback unless you do a slight modification. This is all the same, it fits up, bolts up, but when you get it up, this one's the original one, the new one's in the car. You can feel this thing is locked up. But when you get it in the car, the edge on the new one I got didn't fit. It was rubbing against the inside case. So what I had to do, because I didn't want to wait another week to get a new one, was I took the grinder and I just ran it on the edge of this. And if you get this spinning, because I use the sanding wheel, it'll take off a little bit at the edge, and you just have to take off enough where it fits up there. Like I said, it doesn't seem to blow as hard, but I also haven't started the car yet, so the battery isn't exactly topped up at the moment. It's been sitting for a few days. So we'll see how good it is. I might have to replace it again in the future, but it's working. I mean, it definitely feels better than this one. This one's got bad bearings, so that was my thing. Like, if you're stuck in a pinch and you don't want to go get a new one, like I do, and I'm gonna leave a very bad review for the one that I just got because it does not fit the Outback. You have to. I mean, if this was unscrewable, is that a word? If you could unscrew this, I would have just taken this blade off and put it on the new one, and just reused this blade. I would have cleaned it up a little bit, but like I find this crazy, you know. Manufacturing defect? No, I wouldn't say it was manufacturing defect, because this edge on the new one is about twice as wide and it's about twice as tall in this area. Like, if you were to say that that was the bottom, the top of my finger, it's twice as high as that. So I would say it's designed for another vehicle, and they're just saying it works on both. So my experience, I used it, ground off the edge, and it seems to be working. I'm gonna go on with my life. If it has to be replaced in the future, so be it. It'll be a while, I'm sure. Alright, that's it for this one. See you in the next one.